OPG Plus One is a total oil, fuel, and grease remover that works amazing. But for you science guys, it's an enzyme and biosurfactant blend with a nutrient blend that feeds native bacteria that then goes on to consume the hydrocarbons you've wiped out, completely eliminating them from the environment. OPG Plus One is safe to use on electronic screens and monitors. Pre-cleaning service ports or cleaning up your own mess after working on an engine. You can take a moistened rag, go around and clean off anything. It won't harm any surface underneath the hood, won't harm hoses, won't harm gaskets, won't harm electrical wires. Make many of them look like new again.